Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I thought we could go ahead and do a PR haul because I was cleaning my office today and I realized that I kind of had a little stack of boxes going of new makeup and skincare that I've gotten in the mail, and I just thought, why not go ahead, film it, share it with y'all, and you can let me know what you want to see dedicated videos on the channel. You guys know this type of video is never meant to be braggy. It's always just having fun together, looking through some packages. So if that's not your type of content, I totally understand. I'll see you in the next one. But if you enjoy this type of video, let's go ahead and jump right on in. So first I have a package here from BK Beauty, and honestly, some of these things I did already unbox and then I just put them back in the boxes for the thumbnail. But this I'm so excited about. So this is a new brush holder from BK Beauty, or like a makeup brush bag. It is so innovative. So when I saw the shape originally, I was kind of like, that's a little odd. Like, I don't know, it's just very different than anything I've seen. But guys, I love to do my makeup in the car, so I'm hype about this one. I'm like, I'm about to use this everywhere. You can push this down all the way, super easy. And all of the slots for your brushes are right there. So like if you have a brush right there, so you can see all of your brushes, but then obviously you wouldn't want to close it like that. So you can put it up some and close it there, or like say you have really long brushes, you can literally pull it all the way up this far. I feel like you can completely customize the bag and like make it work for you, and I just thought it was so cool. So thank you to BK Beauty for sending this over. I am gonna be using it nonstop. Okay, next I have a little package here from Pop Beauty, and to be honest with y'all, I do not know how they got my new address. Haven't heard anything from them in the emails, but it arrived at my doorstep, so here it is. This is a collection that says Get Playful in pink, and I actually haven't tried that much makeup from Pop Beauty, so originally this lip gloss was really intriguing me, but then I pulled it out and it was a very bright pink. It looks different than the packaging, so maybe I'll end up trying this face palette. There's also a really cute little hair clip, so I thought I would give this a try. Let me know if you guys are interested in my thoughts on any of these. I had to take a little pause for a second there, and I just realized that I started this video without putting anything on my lips, which was an accident. So we'll get into this next package here, which I know has a lip product. This is from Finding Ferdinand, and I actually did already film a video on this, but I just wanted to include it in the PR haul because I'm so excited about it and I wanted to talk about it again. So this is the new Summer Abroad collection with Khaki and Finding Ferdinand. I personally had never tried anything from them, but I'm already a fan. There's 3 different coral blushes in here of different intensities, and then there's also 3 different beige blushes of different intensities. And honestly, y'all, immediately the shade Latte made it in my to-go makeup bag. I'm already obsessed with it. It's such a pretty, like, soft, brownie, slightly pinky shade, just like the perfect neutral blush. And I actually feel like with this one product, I can use it as like bronzer, blush, and highlight because it has like a really beautiful dew to it. So today I went ahead and used Latte kind of on the backs of my cheeks, and then I took the lightest coral blush here, which is called Paloma, and I kind of focused that a little bit more on the front of my cheeks and used both of them. And honestly, the formula of these is so beautiful, so glowy, just so pretty and natural on the skin. I'm obsessed, and I love the like grungy green packaging. And then there's also a lip gloss in the collection, which is called Shimmering Limoncello. So we're gonna put it on. Smells so good. Next here I have a package from What's Up Beauty. So they came out with a new mascara called the Watch Me Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. It says it's a clean formula with lash-loving ingredients, cruelty-free, made in Italy. And honestly, I've been super impressed with everything I've tried from What's Up Beauty so far. I love their brushes, their eyeshadows are really nice, their nail polishes are nice, so I have high hopes for this mascara. Damn, y'all, I'm so excited. They also launched some new eye brushes. It says there's a set of 6 detail brushes, all handmade in Japan. I already am obsessed with their brushes. I did not realize that these were in here. There's a bunch of new ones. There's a large pencil eyeshadow brush, a precision blending eyeshadow brush, a dome eyeshadow brush, a flat shader brush, a small flat shader, and a flat eyeliner brush that looks super, super tiny. So, like, I don't go into detail on brushes, like every single one, but I'm always reaching for my What's Up Beauty brushes. So anytime you guys see me using a brush that has this hot pink handle, normally it's What's Up Beauty. This one right here, the R101, is actually my favorite pencil brush. So yeah, very, very happy. Here's the packaging for the mascara. Oh, that's so cool. It has like this like almost like dice looking top to it. So maybe I can do like a little YouTube short or something trying that out. Next, I have a package here from KVD Beauty, and they are coming out with a full sleeve, long defined tubing mascara. That's cute, full sleeved. So this came in a makeup bag, and it actually made me laugh because it has like this like black liquid that moves, and it kind of reminds me of like the little like baby bottles, you know, when you were a kid and like the milk would move, but it's like really it's just like in the inside, so it looks like it's moving. But basically, as soon as I had this, I was like laying in my bed opening this PR package, and I told my boyfriend, I was like, look, there's black liquid like in this package, and it got everywhere, and he like came in super concerned, but it was just a prank. So here's what the mascara looks like. Another one I can try as a YouTube short if you guys are curious. I have this shade 10 Ink Black. Oh, that's so pretty. And it just looks like a kind of tattoo design all around. Next, I have two different little PR packages here from Pixie. And you guys, I was so excited because I have been trying to get in contact with Pixie for years because they have just been sending their PR to my old address in Pennsylvania. That's like 4 addresses ago. And I've emailed them, I've messaged them on Instagram, and I'm like, this is not my address anymore. Like, you keep sending packages to the wrong address. I don't know how many FedEx notifications I got. And I guess someone finally saw my messages because I started receiving them at my new address. So they did send over their vitamin C serum. It says it's their Capsule Cure Brightening Face Serum. I know this is bad, but I've never really used vitamin C. So like, I'm kind of curious if it's something that I should start using, if I'll see a difference, what I'm even supposed to see a difference with. And then they also sent over this like little Skin Treats box. And you can see I already took something out of here. So they sent over their Clarity Blemish stickers, which are basically just like pimple patches. And I've never used a pimple patch before, and I'm obsessed. I feel like it helps pimples heal so much faster. I've almost used all of the ones that they sent already. And they also sent over their Clarity Mist, which will probably be nice for some just extra hydration. Okay, last but not least, I have the most ridiculous, extravagant box. And I know maybe it doesn't look extravagant to you, but I was not expecting this at all. So I have been in contact with Surat. I've only tried one product from them, and it was their Releve mascara, and I thought it was so beautiful. It's definitely expensive, which is why like I haven't repurchased it yet, but every time I used it, I was like, dang, this mascara is so nice. And they sent me a PR package with like a million of their products. I was so overwhelmed when I opened this. It was very, very generous. I mean, come on, like that is crazy. So I can kind of give you guys a brief overview of what's in here, but let me know if you'd like to see like a full face testing a bunch of products from Surat, because I think I have almost a full face worth here. So they sent over their facial mist, which honestly looks so pretty, and like this is expensive. I did go ahead and Google it. It's like $50. So I'm really curious to see if this could possibly be worth the price, but I do really love the purple packaging. I mean, come on, it like goes with everything in my background. They sent over some highlighters. They sent over their Dewdrop foundation in 2 different shades. They also sent over their Releve mascara, which I already told you I love, so I'm very excited to whip that back out. And then there's also like this really fancy little case here, and there's some single shadows, so I can like pop them in and test them out as well. There's this little prismatic eyes box. I haven't even gone through all of this so far, so just bear with me. Oh, okay. So it looks like a green shadow, and then does this come up? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like a cream shadow on top, and then it flips, and there's a powder shadow here, and these are like the most beautiful little green combo. Very, very fancy. They also sent over some eyeliners, some little blush pans. There's a lip slick here, which I'm curious to see what this looks like. It's in the shade Heaven, but it's spelled H-E-V-Y-N. Ooh, that's super pretty. It just looks like a really nice nude shade. Oh no, I think I just broke it a little bit, but that's fine. And it's very glossy, so there's what Heaven looks like. I know that's like the only swatch I've done this entire video, but I just couldn't help myself. So yeah, I'm a little bit overwhelmed by this package, but if you guys want to see a full face of Surat, is it worth the price? Because I know it's a little bit more on the luxurious side. Let me know. Actually, I'm sorry, I just need to swatch this too. Can't help it, I'm so curious. Oh, Okay, so there's the cream shadow. You kind of have to dig in for a second to get some pigment up. And then there's what it looks like. It's like a dark olive. And then here's what the powder shadow looks like. It's a little bit on the powdery side, but it's kind of like a warm orangey, like golden base with a green shift. So I guess I'll swatch those. Like, let me see, I'll do the cream shadow. It's a little bit thick. Here's the powder, and then here's the powder on top of the cream. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Okay, my hands are getting dirty already, but that is going to be everything for this PR haul. I would love to know what you guys want to see me do more dedicated videos on. Like I said, the mascaras I can definitely do shorts on. I feel like that would probably be best for them versus like dedicated videos. But you guys let me know, give me your feedback, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!